Okay, in this video, we're going to start at step number 14. And the next two steps, 14, 15, and 16, they're all about data validations. Okay, so I'm going to do all of them in one videos. And step 17 is um, it's just entering data. So I'm sure you can do that without any problem. 18 and 19, it's about protecting the sheet, so you can't change any data or structure of the sheet or workbook. All right, make sure you have the instruction handy. I'm going to move the instruction to the second screen and do these 5 steps without switching back and forth between the instruction and the project file. Okay, 14, select C6. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit more. 14, C6, and insert data validation rule. Select data and data validation. Select date between 5/18/2020. No, I'm sorry, 2018 and 5/20/2018. Okay, and then in the input message, the title is volunteer date, and the text is enter volunteer date. So I copy the text from the Word file and paste it here. All right, make sure the spelling is correct. Volunteer date, enter volunteer date. It's good. Error. The style is stop, and the title is invalid volunteer date, including the period. Okay, looks good. Next, number 15. So go ahead and click OK to close it. Next, select C7. And then again, data validation. Allow list, okay, and the sorts. 15b. You just copy the text from the Word file, okay, in step 15b and paste it in the source box. Make sure there's no space after the word support. Then click OK. All right. Oh, you're not done yet. I'm sorry. Again, select C7 and then select data validation. I'm not done yet. 15C, input messages. Okay. Assignment. And the input message is select an assignment from the list, including the period. And make sure there is no space after period, okay? Title is assignment. And error alert is invalid assignment, including the period. There's no error message, just the title, okay? And the style is stop. Error, input message, settings, that's good. Click OK. All right. And if you did this step correctly, you should see drop down list when you select C7. Okay. Next, number 16. Edit the data validation rule associated with C8. So select C8. Select Data tab and Data Validation. Add an input message. Okay, the title is T-chart size. So I copy T-chart size from the Word file and paste it here in the title box. And the message is select a T-chart size from the list, including the period, and make sure there's no space after period. Error alert should have the stop style, okay? And with select valid T-charts size, including the period. Okay, that's it. No error message, just the title. Okay, click OK. All right. And save file. Okay, next we're going to enter the following data, number 17. Okay. Oh, you know what? In the previous step, I think I forgot to click the button. After you assign a macro clear data to a button, you should click the button to check if the button works correctly. So I'm gonna do it right now. Click that. Okay, it works correctly. That's good. And if you haven't clicked it, just click it to clear the data in this range. Okay, and then enter the data. This is number 17. Okay, 17B. Ultimate Graph Center. 519. And then river cleanup. S. All right, that's it. Number 18. Format the range C4 through 8 so that the cells in this range are unlocked. Okay, so select C4 through 8. Right click, format cells, protection, and then uncheck a lock box, locks checkbox, then click OK, right? And then protect the worksheet without using a password. This is step 18. So select review and protect sheet, no password. Click OK here. The last step, protect the structure of the current workbook without using a password. So again, select any cell, any worksheet, and select Review tab. In the Protect group, click Protect Workbook. No password here. Make sure you select only structure, and then click OK. Save file. Okay, done. Before you submit your project file back to Cengage, make sure you compare your worksheets against the screenshots in the instruction file. Okay, make sure it's look like what is shown here. All right, that's it. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you in class. Bye.